What's greater amusing than a piece of sibling rivalry, right? Well, we are going a piece deeper into space, to the area of the Eternals, as we are going to evaluate the powers and abilities of Star Fox, additionally referred to as Eros, and his brother, Thanos, the Mad Titan. In this video, you're going to discover who might win and why. Star Fox and Thanos are similarly strong. Thanos might win with the Infinity Gauntlet and is bodily greater powerful. However, in a one-on-one fight, Star Fox ought to abuse Thanos' feelings toward Lady Death in addition to his nihilist ideas and make him do as he pleased. This is why they may be on same terms, ultimately. Star Fox the Eternals, which offers him a whole lot of unique skills from the very beginning. His frame has been bolstered with the aid of using cosmic strength to age plenty slower than maximum humanoids. He is superhumanly sturdy and proof against harm and proof against earthly diseases. He can face up to falls from superb heights or repeated blows with superhuman energy that might critically injure or kill a regular human without harming himself. He is never invulnerable, however, and may be wounded with the aid of using guns made from not unusual place substances which include bullets or knives. His widespread resistance to harm is fairly much less than that of the common Eternal. However, like several Eternal, he possesses top-notch restoration skills and, as cited earlier, immunity to any earthly disease. Thanos has superhuman bodily abilities and intelligence and is proof against any sort of disease. His getting old is blocked upon accomplishing maturity and has multiplied recovery processes. Through very superior cybernetic grafts he has expanded his bodily prowess to a ways exceed that of the most powerful of the Eternals, and, after having resurrected him, death has amplified those abilities, making them immeasurable if now no longer limitless. He has, in fact, proved capable of reject with a unmarried punch a livered frontal assault through the Hulk, easily subdue Beta Ray Bill and Ronan the Accuser, additionally destroying the universal weapon of the Second, to effortlessly defeat the Silver Surfer, to combat with Thor even as the latter become powered through the Gem of Power and, giving complete vent to its energy, to ruin whole planets with the energy of its blows alone. Further growing his power away to a unique outside electricity source, he even controlled to stand Tyrant in fight. He become hit through 3 screams from Black Bolt and Norrin Radd's rays without being injured, and, all through the combat with the God of Thunder defined above, a sequence of livered assaults he released brought on best a mild lack of blood from the nose. He has additionally withstood blows of planetary energy, Publicity 2 and Synthetic Singularity, or even the rays of Odin and Galactus. The solution to this query relies upon on how those characters method the fight. In phrases of bodily strength, Star Fox is a long way not as good as Thanos, however they're each Eternals in order that isn't always our identifying factor. If Thanos had been to apply the Infinity Gauntlet with inside the fight, Star Fox wouldn't stand a chance. But this is simply one feasible scenario. Star Fox is a totally risky Eternal, and because of his potential to manipulate the feelings of others, he's a pressure to be reckoned with. That is why it's miles super that he sided with the coolest guys. If he fought Thanos one-on-one with none enhancements, we even suppose that he ought to win, probably abusing Thanos' feelings closer to Lady Death and making him do as he pleased.